Good morning, students. We have learned about the eight planets. Previously, we were told that there was nine planets. The Pluto, which was considered a planet in the previous time, now it's called a dwarf. So why the Pluto is not considered a planet now? We'll see in this topic. So compared to the planet, this object is furthest. Means it is the furthest of all the eight planets, about 39 to 5 times more than the distance of the Earth from the Sun. So you can see how the distance the this Pluto is, and Pluto that's why it is the smallest planet and it is smallest in size. The light from the sun reach here in 32 hours. So such a long it takes to reach the light. And for many years there had been discussions of Pluto being a planet. So Tom Klein in November 18, 1930, he discovered the planet Pluto. On 24th August 2006, at the meeting of the International Union of Astronomy, Czechoslovakia, the definition of the planet was determined. So, and according to it, planet is that object. Now we'll see why. What are the definitions that the planet has to be there, or it is has to be called a planet. So, what should be the things for a planet to call a planet, or it will be out of the planet if it is not. These things are not following. The planets are not following these things or any objects, so they will be not considered a planet. So what are the rules you can see here? So the thing that planet should have to rotate around the sun. So it has to revolve around the sun. Otherwise, if it doesn't revolve, then it will be not considered a planet. So many things like asteroids, comets, they revolve around the sun, but they are not called a planet. That's why the planet should revolve around the sun. Then only it will be called planet. The same thing this Pluto was not following. Pluto was not revolving. Sorry, it was revolving, but not in a round shape. It was revolving in a spherical shape like this, not round like that, but it was revolving in this spherical side. So which then second point is which has that much volume, then it takes a spherical shape due to gravity. So I told you that it was not revolving around, it was revolving in this type. It was cutting the other planets and going around the sun. It was taking very long years to do one orbital. And third point is which has a clear orbital. So its shape should be round, not flat like this. So this Pluto was not having that round shape, so it was having different shape. So the fourth point is there are no other heavenly bodies in the orbital. So when uh, the planet is rotating around the sun, there should be no any other what objects or any other bodies should not come in front of that. So it should be clear so that it can rotate in a very peaceful thing, in a rule way. So that was not followed by Pluto. And that's why now we see the question arises why Pluto is not a planet. Before it was done a lot of research, is it Pluto a planet or not? But now it is not considered a planet. So why? So Pluto revolves around the sun, but being very small and less volume. So Pluto is not following the rules or having no shape and no order. So that's why it is not perfectly round also. So it's moving elliptical orbit. So it doesn't move in a round circle, but it is moving in like this elliptical shape. So around the sun, it cuts Neptune orbital and enters inside. So it is going inside the Neptune, cutting inside, going inside, and is not following its own orbit. That's why it is not considered. Apart from this, all the other planets revolve around the sun in the same plane. But Pluto makes an angle of 70 degree. 70 degree, not 360 degree like that. So because of all this, Pluto has been placed outside the group of the planet. So now it is not a planet. Now it is called a pseudo planet. So it is not a planet. It is pseudo planet which revolves around the sun like other objects. So now let's test our self mind. So let us recognize which is the biggest planet? Jupiter. Second, the planet which has life? Earth. The brightest planet? Venus. The red planet? Mars. The first planet discovered with the telescope? Uranus. The planet which has three rings? Saturn. The planet with eight satellites? Neptune. So you know that there are some other heavenly bodies other than the sun and the planets in the solar system. So there are a lot of other bodies which is revolving around the sun. So let's know about these bodies. So the first one is asteroid. These are small bodies which revolve around the sun in an orbit between Mars and Jupiter. In an orbit between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid is said to be the part of matter which could not take the shape of the planet due to some reason. So it is not in the shape of the planet. So that's why it is not called considered a planet. It is in its different object, but it revolves around the sun. So next one is comet Dhumketu. So what is comets? Comets are small heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. We can see them only when they are very near to the sun. Its characteristic feature is small bright head with a long tail. So you can see here it's a shape. The tail of the comet always points away from the sun. Usually the comet is after a fixed interval of time. Halley's comet is one such comet which appears after 76 years, last time seen in 1986. So you can see the picture of a comet and its shape. It doesn't appear every time, but when it is near to the sun, it appears, and it is appeared in 76 years before in 1986. So it takes long time to see. Meteors and meteorites. Sometimes during dark nights you see bright lines. So we in Hindi we say the टूटता हुआ तारा. It is called shooting star or falling star. So we can see that from the earth. But they are not stars. So we say but they are not stars. They are meteors. So like some heavenly bodies like stone type, rocky type. So meteors are small heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They revolve around the sun. When these bodies enter the Earth's atmosphere, it's very high speed. They burn up due to frictions, and they appear a bright light in lights in the sky. So some meteors do not burn up completely atmosphere. They enter our atmosphere, and some fall in our Earth without burning. So these burnt bodies are called meteorites. So small pieces, they become in small pieces, and that's called meteorites. Other bodies which burn in the atmosphere of the earth, that is called meteors. So this was about the heavenly bodies other than the planets.